In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to watch NFL Sunday Ticket on Smart TV. Let's get started. Make sure your smart TV is connected to the internet. Then open your TV's app store and search for the official YouTube app. Install the app and open it. If your TV already has YouTube installed, simply launch the app and make sure it is updated to the latest version. Next, sign into YouTube using the same Google account that you used to purchase NFL Sunday Ticket. This is important because your NFL Sunday Ticket membership is connected to that Google account. Once you are signed in, use the search bar and type NFL to open the official NFL channel page. When an eligible game is live, select the game to start watching. If you purchase NFL Sunday Ticket through YouTube TV, you can also use the YouTube TV app on your smart TV. Sign in with the Google account connected to your membership. Open the Home or Live section and look for the available NFL games. You can watch NFL Sunday Ticket through YouTube TV even if you purchase the package separately depending on your subscription setup. And that's how you can watch NFL Sunday Ticket on your smart TV. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.